Young people in India can earn money online through freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or even reselling. Hi everyone! Today I want to share how I earn online with Adsterra by placing ads on my blog, and you can too.
I just earned $5,000 from Adsterra. I achieved it by placing ads on my blog, increasing traffic from social media.
So guys, this video is very important. As you know, I am making some AI agent or AI model to promote my link, to promote my Adsterra link. And in this situation, like in this time, this model or this method is very uh, speedily working. Like if you don't have this method in your list, I think you are not adding the advancement at technology. Like AI video and AI model is now very popular, and YouTube auto promote this type of video. That's why I am making. So see, you don't need anything, you just need ChatGPT and you just need a View3 uh, prompt, I mean View3 account. That's it. So there is also available in Google. So first we will make a prompt, like make a prompt for 25 years woman based in India. Like I'm making a simple woman character who will promote my link, who will promote my blog link. But systematically these things also work as like a promoter. Okay, so for that you just need a prompt first, and that prompt will generate a AI model or AI person. Then you paste it in YouTube. So I have just make a sample for you. You can use this model also. It's very easy, but I think you should follow as I am doing in video, like how to make this from scratch. If you know how to make this from scratch, it will be very helpful to make any kind of AI model you want, and then you can easily promote your link with that AI model. So first, very simple, you need to make AI model first. So see, my AI model is almost ready, I mean prompt is ready. So first you will copy the prompt from here. Okay, then go to View3, and in View3 paste it in here, then enter. Your video will ready in 1 to 2 minutes.
Young people in India can earn money online through freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or even reselling. Young people in India can earn money online through freelancing, content creation, affiliate.
After this complete, I will make another 2 video. The prompt also ready, but I will share you how to make the model consistent. As View3 working on consistent model, so that's why first time it will not to be accurate, but it will workable. So I have generated another video prompt. I will share the all video prompt with you with a link. You can just see this how actually it work.
Hi everyone! Today I want to share how I earn online with Adsterra by placing ads on my blog, and you can too. Hi everyone! Today I want to share how I earn online with Adsterra by placing ads on my blog, and
Now another video, like a girl running in a park. My another 3 video is ready. So what I will do now, first download those video.
I just earned $5,000 from Adsterra. I achieved it by placing ads on my blog, increasing traffic from social media. I just earned $5,000 from Adsterra. I achieved it by placing ads on.
Young people in India can earn money online through freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or even
Today I want
reselling.
to share how I
Now you can make a new channel, or you can change any of your old channel. Okay, so I just change my any one old channel. I will use this channel for various marketing purpose, and I'm just going to first upload the first video. See, everything is ready. Now I have to just post it successfully, and then it will automatically get views, and I will share my link in that, and you will see that actually how the result will work.
Young people in India can earn money online
See
through
how
freelancing,
professional, like it's
content
a real
creation,
woman
affiliate.
talking. Now paste the link in the comment section, like how I'm marketing this. I will share the video with my targeted niche, and I will share the link also with the targeted related niche. And I have a secret, how much traffic you need in Adsterra or in Blogger to generate $1. Like it is a average CPM. I have the secret. I will share you it with next video. Like how many traffic need to get $1. So see, I am just sharing my blog, and my blog will be promoted by AI agent, and everything like that simple. Now I am going to add another link in here. The link is very simple. I will make a first blog from ChatGPT. So as you can see, my blog is ready. Okay, now just give a title of this blog and publish it. Also share this link also in the comment section, and you will think that actually how will this work. It's actually work, and I know, you know what, maximum people who are making a model, they are actually, they have a secret plan like affiliate marketing, product selling. They don't you wait for monetize. You know why? Because they send traffic to their website. That's it. That's the simple things you have to do. And if you don't understand the whole process, okay, you can just comment me. I'll give you a doc also how actually this will work for you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you can make a now consistent AI model for you and share your marketing.
Marketing or even reselling.
So as you can see, I have also two another video. I will upload that gradually. So thank you, bye, and I hope we will meet in next video.